G'day, I'm Alister Christie and this is a blog post for LearnDelphi.tv. I've got a number of things to talk about today, but first up is the fact that it's the 1st of November, which means it's the 1st of Movember. Movember is a month-long event where guys grow moustaches basically and raise money for awareness of men's issues, in particular prostate cancer and depression. So I'm going to disappear and shave all this off to start with a blank canvas, so to speak, to grow my moustache, which hopefully I'll be doing a few blog posts this month, so you'll be able to see the progress of that. So to find out more about Movember, you can go to movember.com and go register there and grow your own moustache. So I'll be back shortly. So I am back with the new look. I've got to decide on what kind of moustache I want. I might go with a full sort of handlebar kind of thing, but we'll see how that goes. So the next thing I want to talk about is CodeRage 7. That is November 6 to 8. I am in the middle of that on November 7 on Wednesday. The last one there. So I'm doing data bindings, or XML data bindings, which is a continuation of my XML and Delphi Part 1. So it's effectively XML and Delphi Part 2, and this one's going to be free. My other one is a commercial video, which you can of course purchase from LearnDelphi.tv, as well as my building VCL apps. So I've just started on my next video, which is on T-client dataset. So I'm trying to cover sort of doing T-client dataset and T-dataset at the same time, because you can't really do T-dataset by itself because it's kind of an abstract class, which lots of stuff descends from. So yes, T-client dataset should be good. It'll be several videos, I think. I'm going to try and make them not too long. I think probably it'll be a few, maybe 2 or 3 2-hour videos, so that I move, once I've covered T-client dataset in enough detail, I can then look at building data-aware applications in Delphi, which is the primary use of Delphi for this is, talking to databases and having writing applications to do that. Next, sort of final topic. I've just started doing some consulting work, sort of doing that via Skype, which works quite well. I've helped a few people out so far, and I'm looking to expand that and make that a fair chunk of my income. So I'm able to do that for sort of anyone anywhere in the world, provided they've got a reasonable internet connection. We can consult via Skype. Skype has some desktop sharing stuff, which is okay for seeing the desktop. If we need to do sort of remote control type stuff, we can use LogMe and Rescue or VNC. I generally use Type VNC. It's a bit easier to set up than Ultra VNC. So that's all I wanted to say today. Hopefully in my next blog post I'll have moustache again. This is I think it's about the first time I've been clean shaven in about 8 years. So I hardly recognised myself in the mirror. My girlfriend was sort of saying that I looked weird, really different. So that's very cool. So anyway, I'll finish up here. I'm Alister Christie for LearnDelphi.tv. You can go to LearnDelphi.tv, find lots of free videos, or purchase, which is my preference of course, one of my commercial videos. Thanks for taking the time to watch.